In 2026, making money online is easier than ever before. But here's the problem. Most people are still using outdated methods that barely work anymore. Meanwhile, smart creators are using AI, digital products, faceless content, and online businesses to generate income from anywhere in the world. And some of them are making thousands of dollars every single month. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make money online in 2026, especially if you're starting from zero. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final method could completely change your financial future. Welcome to Next Scale Media. On this channel, we talk about online income, AI business ideas, finance, and future-proof ways to make money online. So if you want smart money strategies and powerful online business ideas, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's get started. Method 1. AI content creation. The first online money method in 2026 is AI content creation. Right now, people are building entire content businesses using artificial intelligence. And no, you don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a studio. And you don't even need to show your face. AI tools can now help you write scripts, generate voiceovers, edit videos, create thumbnails, and even automate social media posting. That means one person can run multiple content pages at the same time. People are creating YouTube channels, TikTok pages, Instagram Reels, and short-form content accounts, and earning money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Attention is the new currency in 2026, and content creators are getting paid more than ever. Method 2. Selling digital products. The second way to make money online is selling digital products. This is one of the best online businesses because there's no inventory, no shipping, and almost no startup cost. You create a product once and sell it again and again. People are making money by selling ebooks, AI prompts, online courses, resume templates, finance spreadsheets, Notion templates, and social media bundles. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are growing fast because digital products are exploding in popularity. And thanks to AI, creating products now takes days instead of months. That's why more beginners are entering the digital product business in 2026. Method 3. AI freelancing. The third online income method is AI freelancing. Businesses everywhere are trying to save time and increase productivity using AI tools. And many of them are willing to pay freelancers for help. You can offer services like AI video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, AI automation, website creation, social media management, and content creation. The best part is, you don't need to be an expert programmer. You just need to learn one valuable skill and help businesses solve problems faster. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with opportunities right now. In 2026, speed matters more than perfection. And people who know how to use AI efficiently are making serious money online. Method 4. Faceless YouTube channels. The next online business opportunity is faceless YouTube channels. This business model is becoming bigger every single year. Channels about finance, luxury, motivation, business, AI, and celebrity news are generating thousands of dollars every month. And many creators never show their face. Most of these channels use AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing tools. You don't need a camera. You don't need a fancy setup. You just need great topics, high-retention editing, strong thumbnails, and consistency. That's why faceless YouTube automation is one of the biggest online opportunities in 2026. Method 5. High-income skill stacking. And finally, the most powerful strategy in 2026 is skill stacking. Instead of spending years mastering only one skill, smart creators are combining multiple skills together. For example, AI plus copywriting, video editing plus marketing, finance plus content creation, ChatGPT plus automation, design plus social media. When you combine skills, you become far more valuable online. And honestly, the people making the most money in 2026 are not always the smartest people. They're the people who adapt the fastest. So if I had to start from zero in 2026, I would focus on AI content creation, digital products, faceless YouTube channels, and high-income AI skills. The online opportunity right now is massive, but only for people who actually take action. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to Next Scale Media for more online income ideas, AI business strategies, and finance content designed for the future. And comment below, which online business would you start in 2026? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.